guys, it's Laurie. Thanks for stopping by today. And guess what? I'm participating in a Thrifted cookie jar collab hosted by Secondhand Tracy Ann. The requirements of participating in this collab are that you need to go to a thrift store, or flea markets, antique malls, anywhere that you can find a thrifted cookie jar that is not new. Some of you know I broke my wrist a couple of months ago and I've been in a hand cast, and I can tell you I don't ever want to do that again. It's just not fun, especially for someone that likes to craft. It's just not been the best time. However, the good part is I finally have my wrist back. I got my cast off and I was heading home from the doctor's office and I saw a Goodwill store. I decided to pull in and check out the Goodwill, and to my surprise, sitting there on the shelf was this cookie jar, and it was still in its box. My Santa was only $4.99 and I couldn't believe he was still in his original box. I checked it out before I bought it, obviously, to make sure he wasn't new, and it said that he was from Bradley's, which I believe closed back in 2001. I pretty much thought he might be broken or kind of beat up, so to my surprise, when I took him out of the box, he was in really, really good condition. So I kind of inspected his top half, expecting to find some cracks or maybe some, I don't know, worn marks or something, but he was pretty perfect. And then I figured pretty much the body probably was not in the best condition, but I actually found him still in his bag and he was absolutely perfect. So let's see, show you guys how cute he is. He's got his little pal, a snowman, right here in the corner, and there's a little mouse that's hanging out on his boots, and he's got his sack full of toys. And I was so happy. He's just perfect, and I cannot wait to fill him with some cookies. I'm pretty much guessing his belly's empty. He's been sitting in that box for a while, so I think I'm going to make some cookies and treats to put inside his tummy, and I hope you hang out with me while I make them. And I just think he is so precious and adorable, and I was really happy that I found this guy. Make sure you check out our hostess, Secondhand Tracy Ann, along with the collab playlist. I'm linking them both below in my description. These cookies were so easy to make and even easier to eat. I used 2 of the Funfetti sugar cookie packages I found at the Dollar Tree. The holidays are so busy, a pre-packaged cookie mix is a great way to save some time. I followed the instructions on the back of the package, and it said to add 2 tablespoons of butter and a tablespoon of water. And because I'm using 2 packages, I doubled both. I wanted to make these Christmas cookies for Santa, so I used some sprinkles. Then, using my small ice cream scoop, I scooped out a portion of the cookie dough, and then I just rolled it around in the sprinkles. Once I was done, I popped them in the oven to bake for 10 minutes. Out they came, delicious looking sugar cookies. To give some of them the flavor of Christmas, I just popped a candy cane candy kiss in the center. I made a quick stand to display my cookies. I placed some small red ornaments in a clear glass bowl, then topped it off with my vintage heavyweight glass plate. I don't want to tell Santa until after I'm sure he's left me some presents, but there are a few of the cookies missing.
This party mix has a lot of different names, but I was introduced to it as White Christmas, so that's what I call it. It's so delicious that I actually make it and give it as gifts every year. You start out with 2 cups of rice Chex and then 3 cups of corn Chex. You then add 3 cups of Cheerios and 2 cups of pretzel pieces. To finish it off, you add a large bag of the Christmas M&Ms. Then just mix it together. You'll need 1 pound of the vanilla or white chocolate candy melts. Once they're completely melted, just pour it onto your mix. Then mix it all together, making sure that you coat all of the pieces. It's usually at this point that I'm hoping some of them actually fall out of the bowl so I can sample it. Once it's all mixed together, you're just going to lay it out on some wax paper. As it cools, it begins to form little clusters of this delicious party mix. This is so quick and easy to make. I usually make a huge batch and put it in some Christmas tins. Then it's ready to give as a Christmas gift or to the hostess of your holiday party or even to coworkers. To fill Santa's belly, I found some of these small little treat sacks at Walmart. I filled each of the bags with some of this White Christmas party mix. Once I was done, the last thing to do was pop them inside my Thrifted Santa Claus cookie jar. Don't forget to check out our hostess, secondhand Tracy Ann, along with the Collab playlist that I'm going to link below. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider clicking the little red subscribe button.
Thanks for hanging out with me, Santa and I. So appreciative every time you stop by. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.